Guess who's back? It's me. Okay, so let's talk about how your paper is going to be scored. So we know that there's four criterion, and we talked a little bit about A and B yesterday, which really are going to be like the crux of your analysis and be something that the examiner is going to closely look at. It's going to closely look at all of it, but that's where your analysis lies, and your evaluation, right? Okay, so criterion A, understanding and interpretation. You should have your paper one rubric in front of you. How well does the candidate demonstrate an understanding of the text and draw reasoned conclusions from implications in it? Implications, we know, means reading between the lines. So the stuff you're going to get, like the understanding of the text, is going to be like from your annotations. Because remember, it all, when we read it, it's all just a mess of words. And then we get to like the highlighting and the color coding, and holy cow, these new meanings emerge, right? And then from your annotations, you look at your implications, which is you're reading between the lines, the stuff you're gleaning from this based on what the author wanted you to get, right? And then how well are your ideas supported by references to the text? You can't say something and then not support it with references to the text. It's just not going to work for this paper. It's going to result in your argument being weakened. Okay. B, analysis and evaluation. To what extent does the candidate analyze and evaluate how textual features and or authorial choices shape meaning? Again, talking about how the author did the thing that they did to make the meaning that the reader got. Okay, excuse me, got a cough again. Okay, C is focus and organization. You will be far more focused and organized with an outline. I strongly encourage you to make one, even if it's the most simple. And then the language, okay? How clear, varied, and accurate is the language, and is it appropriate in register and style? This is like you're writing for like the HLSA, any of the more academic writing that we've done. So make sure that it is of a high style and of a very formal and literary academic manner, okay? Let me move this. This is just a reminder that these are the things that discuss implications. This is in the Paper One Prep slide deck in the Paper One folder in Schoology. It's also in today's slide deck and yesterday's slide deck, and committed to memory. Burn it into your brain. These are those strong verbs that we talked about yesterday in regards to analysis. So, keep an eye out for that in today's student response, and you just might see them. Again, an outline. This was my rudimentary one for yesterday's example, but it's going to greatly improve the way you are able to articulate your thoughts if you take the time to sketch out something. Okay, so paper one, Witnesses by Fleur Adcock. You're going to read it 3 times, just like I taught you. No pen or pencil, just initial thoughts. Second time, annotate the poem, put your notes in the margins. Third time through, look at literary craft. If you want to go through and actually color code it, you know where the highlighters are, and you are able to do so. Don't forget Scasny. Sea coral always settle near islands. Okay, those are the things that you're looking for: setting, characters, action, style, narrative technique, and ideas. Okay.